Alright, so the first thing we're picking up is this Neutrogena oil-free moisture with sunscreen. It is on sale for $8.36. Now this is a different price than what I've seen before. I also have a $3 off coupon that I printed from coupons.com. If you do not have this coupon, you can actually go to the coupons.com app and you can scan this item and you can get $3 back for that. With that, it's going to be $5.36. IBOTTA has a rebate for $4, and you can actually do this deal twice on IBOTTA. And then there's a rebate on checkout 41 for $2, making this just a 64-cent moneymaker. We love a moneymaker, so can't wait to try this and see if it works. The next item we're getting is this Batiste Dry Shampoo. This is $6.48. We're picking up 2 of these. It's going to be $12.92 when we pick up 2. We're going to submit a receipt to Swagbucks for 1,200 Swagbucks or $12, making this just 92 cents or 48 cents each. Alright, picking up these can-do wipes again, since it's on my IBOTTA again. One of them is $1.54. The rebate is for 75 cents back on IBOTTA, making these just 79 cents each. Alright, these are perfect to put in your car or in your purse. These are the Clorox to-go pack in the travel section. They are 97 cents. Shopkicks has, I think, 190 scans and kicks, which equals 76 cents, making these just 21 cents each. Alright guys, every time I come to Walmart, I get this deal because I get 2 IBOTTA rebates with this, so might as well just kind of break it up and do it each time you come because 2 rebates is awesome. So these are Fancy Feast Petites, are 98 cents. We're going to pick up 4 of them. We have a coupon for $2 off 4, and there was also coupons from coupons.com. I don't know if they're still there or not, but I printed all of mine I can print. So that's going to make 98 cents. It's going to make it $3.92. With this $2 off coupon, it's going to make it $1.92, and then we're taking off 2 IBOTTA rebates. There's a 10 cent and a 10 cent, so that's 20 cents in IBOTTA rebates, making this just $1.72 for all 4 canisters. So I am a teacher and school's starting back up soon, so I'm trying to stock up on some of these little quick snacks that are a little bit healthy. These are $2.98, the Con clusters. I found it in the nut aisle. So 2 IBOTTA rebates are coming off for this. One is for the Con clusters and one is in any I think trail mix type rebates. That's $1.60 coming off. So $1.50 and 10 cents, $1.60 coming back, making this just $1.38 for each bag. Alright, I have been looking everywhere for these Kleenexes and they don't have the long boxes like they have in the picture for IBOTTA. So this is part of the back to school bundle on IBOTTA. You're going to buy one of these boxes at $1.58. You're going to get back $1.89 on IBOTTA, making this a 31 cent moneymaker. Alright, I do not know what happened, but this was back in my IBOTTA app. It was the Skippy peanut butter. That's part of the back to school bundle. This is the last thing I have. These are $2.17. So I already have one of these and got it and already got my rebate, but it's back again. And the rebate on the Skippy peanut butter in the IBOTTA app is for $2.53, making this a 36 cent moneymaker. So that's pretty awesome. Another moneymaker with a back to school bundle. I was really excited because I thought this deal was on checkout 51 as well, but it's not. It's the wrong item. But anyways, these Eggland's Best eggs are my favorite. They're always, a little bit more pricey. They're $2.70. Of course, we can go down and get the Walmart brand. That's $1.60, but I really like the Eggland's Best. The good thing about this is we have the 50-cent coupon. We get these all the time. I probably get these like every month. So there's 50 cents coming off on these Eggland's Best, making these $2.20. Then you're going to submit to Shopkicks. I think it's 350 kicks, which is about $1.40 in Shopkicks. I had some scans, but I've already scanned it, so it doesn't work anymore. If you have the scans, it'll be even cheaper. But the final price will be 80 cents with our coupon and our Shopkicks rebate, 80 cents. This is a repeat deal on the Kellogg's Jumbo Snacks. I have a $1 off coupon from coupons.com, bringing this down to $3.98. IBOTTA has a rebate for $2 back, making this just $1.98, I believe. Also, there is a rebate. I believe it's on Shopkicks, but I've already used it and it hasn't come back in my app, so I cannot use it. So check your Shopkicks to see if you have this. But $1.98 for some cool snacks. All right, this is a repeat deal. We actually got this Mrs. Freshly's Hershey's, and we got the cookies and cream one, but I want to get the peanut butter cup ones now. My daddy will probably like these. So these are $2.86. I got a $1.50 coupon back. Not back, but a $1.50 coupon from coupons.com. Making these. Sorry, my math is not right on my computer. Let me fix it. Making these just $1.36. We also have an IBOTTA rebate that you can do. Making these just 36 cents each. Now, if you look at it, you could do this deal a couple times and get the 50-cent bonus too, because there's a bonus for this, but I don't have enough coupons, so I'm not going to do it anymore. So 36 cents each for one box is pretty good. All right, these turtles are one of my favorite candies. They are only $1 at Walmart. That's a really good deal, because I know at Food Line they're like $1.60. So they are $1 at Walmart. We're going to buy 2 of them. When we buy 2 of them, that's going to make them $2. And then we're going to submit a rebate to IBOTTA, and it's going to be for $1.39. This is supposed to be a BOGO rebate, but it's actually a little bit higher, so that's great. Making just both of those 61 cents or about 30 cents a piece. All right, this is everything I'm getting today that's in my cart. I usually get a lot more, but things just didn't work out the way I wanted to. So everything in my cart is $46.98, but I'm only going to be spending, let's see, $3.89. That's after coupons and all my rebate apps. IBOTTA, Fetch, Shopkicks, all that. And I might have some more on Fetch I just don't know about. So pretty good for $3.89. Amazing.